I want to show you an example of purchasing Solana NFTs on Magic Eden. And the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Solana icon. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the top projects currently trending. Right now it's sorted by the last 24 hours. You can change it to 30 days or whatever time frame you're interested in. So I'm going to click on See All, and specifically I'm going to focus on this project, BoDoggos. I'm going to open that in a new tab. So I always make sure that they're verified, and you'll see that with the check mark right here. The reason I'm interested in this project is I've done my research and I like the founding team, Nick and Pio and Easy Eats Bodega. I think it has the potential to go up in value as this anticipated Solana bull run, and specifically NFTs on Solana, plays out over the coming months. If you look at activity, you can see there have been a bunch of buys just in the last 20 minutes or so. Other thing I'd like to look at is analytics. This is nice with Magic Eden, it has built-in charts. This is really helpful. I'm going to go to the 12-hour chart, and you can see it has been steadily increasing since really the beginning of November. I typically don't like to buy when things are up 60%, but again, I think that this has potential to continue to rise because of the team behind it. So if you look over here on the left side, you'll see you can sort by different attributes. A couple other things I'll point out: you can see the current floor price. You can make offers on any of these NFTs. Total volume in the last 24 hours. Here's the all-time volume. The total supply is 8,700. There's currently 539 listed. And here are the owners. It's a 26% unique owner count within the BoDoggos collection. So there's a couple ways you can play these. You can buy off the floor, just a common one. The idea there is that the floor price is going to go up, or you can look for something with a little bit more rare trait. In this case, I'm looking for one that has the Super Doggo outfit, and this one's available. What you can do is you can actually click on any one of these attributes and just sort by that. So I'm sorting by the Super Doggo outfit trait. You can see that the floor price goes up pretty fast for the ones that are listed. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this one. So I'm going to click Connect Wallet, click on Solana, and then connect your Phantom wallet. And I'm going to say Buy Now. Go ahead and review the transaction. 8.97 SOL go out. You get one BoDoggo. Click Confirm. You'll see this on the bottom. Congrats, your purchase is fulfilled. If I refresh the screen, you'll see it's now not listed. Click up here and then go to My Items. And these are all the Solana NFTs currently in my items. If you click on BoDoggos, you'll see there is the BoDoggos Solana NFT that we just purchased. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. You can see you always have the ability to accept offers if you have them. Obviously I'm not gonna do that since I just purchased it. My hope is that this collection continues to go up in value, and that having one with more of a rare attribute will also pay off. That's how you purchase Solana NFTs on Magic Eden. Again, please do your own research. This is just to show you how to do it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.